more toward Monday that we're kind of starting to get the heebie-jeebies, right? Let's take a look at this. We're going to get you through this forecast for tonight and tomorrow, and then we're going to get into the bigger picture. Mostly cloudy with a snow mix for the day to start, but by afternoon, more scattered rain and occasional mixing will be moving through, but the temperatures, again, will only be in the 40s through the day. All right, I love to start this off with what's new and what's changed. So what's new? Well, we have some snow that is already mixing in with the rain tonight here in northern Ohio. And as far as what's changed, we continue to hone in on Monday and Tuesday. We are now less than 5 days to the eclipse, and this is when we really start to get an idea of how the bigger picture will work. The problem is everybody wants to know what's going to happen in their backyard in a 20-minute period on one day. That's impossible to do right now. We can only give you the bigger picture. The big picture we have tonight, she's a beauty, Clark. What an incredible storm system we have here in the Great Lakes. I know everybody's, crying the blues because we have snow in the forecast, but look at this storm system and the swirl that is going right over South Bend right now. That's the area of low pressure, upper part of the atmosphere. This will rotate through, and it's actually the speed of this storm system that sets us up for how quickly things change up on Monday and Tuesday. Big picture coming up. But right now, we still have these scattered showers to deal with. Most of them still rain, but we have seen occasional snow mixing in, at least on the radar. And earlier today, we've had hail reported out of some of the heavier showers. So just a few little scattered showers around the area. These will be moving out. And tomorrow, we'll start with clouds and a few of those scattered showers. Air temperatures are now in the 30s across northern Ohio, with the exception of tropical Dover. You too shall be in the 30s very soon. Here's your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. We do have those scattered snow showers. It'll be a wet snow to start the day. Might not even be full-on snowflakes. It could end up being kind of that gloppy mix. But with the northeast wind coming across the lake, we will probably have a lake enhancement area that starts to fire up out over the lake. And then as the day goes on, our area of low pressure begins to rotate out. That band begins to pivot across our western counties first. This might lay down a coating of accumulation even on roads. If it's coming down real heavy, you're not going to overcome that. Think about taking an ice cube out of your refrigerator or out of the freezer, putting it on the countertop. It doesn't magically evaporate. It doesn't magically melt. It takes some time. That could be the scenario setting up tomorrow. The good news is, as the day warms, the snow likelihood is less and less, but we'll still have to deal with scattered rain showers through the afternoon, even into the evening, and then tomorrow evening we'll start to see things settling down. We're going to do that whole thing over again on Friday with those scattered snow showers. Light accumulations, yep, they're a possibility. I mean, we're putting snow down. It does not look like any accumulation will be sticking around for long, though, so there's that. So let's take a look at this big picture. Storm system we have ongoing now is going to move off the New England coast, which opens the door to a new storm system to begin to develop in the Plain States. The speed of this system coming in has to push against not only the storm system that we have now, but also high pressure that's right behind that. So we kind of have this 1, 2, 3. It's going to try to move in. At this point, we either want it to speed up or slow down. We want it to either get in and get cleared, or we want it to slow down and not get here yet. The bad news is we still will have cloud cover from it. So as far as the eclipse forecast goes, we are anticipating that we will have cloud cover, maybe a little less than we were thinking yesterday, and our confidence is actually not that great. So we're timing out that rain, and it's just impossible to get it nailed down as of right now. Union Home Mortgage forecast 40s for the next couple days. We warm up. We're in the 60s for next week with those rain chances coming back our way. Jimmy's